Alrighty, so this here is the Colourpop Lush in Paradise collection. It comes with everything you're seeing right here on the camera. It says right here, it's Paradise with our lushest collection yet. We have 3 cream gel liners. These are it right here. This is just the packaging. Really pretty packaging. And these cream gel liners, I have not used all of them. I only used this one in today's video. So I'll swatch this one. I don't want to swatch the other ones because I already have similar ones to that, and I just don't want to do that, you know, because it's just a waste. So here is a swatch of this color. Beautiful. You guys seen how easily this applies? Oh shit, that just broke. But yeah, here is a swatch of this one. This color here is called Canopy. You guys will see it in action in today's tutorial. These other two, I told you, I already have these. So I'm going to put these aside for a giveaway. Stick around for a giveaway later on in this video. We also have 3 glosses, and the packaging looks like this. My hands are super dry. I'm sorry. I'm always washing them and they just look so bad. But okay, this is what the glosses look like. I'm not sure if you can buy these as a set. Usually you can buy them as a bundle. But I'll let you guys know in the description box down below. I am going to be keeping all of these, so I can definitely swatch these for you. This one here is called Peace Lily. It's a clear gloss with some sparkle in it. And then this one here is called Vanda. These are not super pigmented. They are just perfect for a light tint. And then this one here is called, oh, I already tried that one. This one here is called Orchid. I think I used this one in today's video. So this one is peachy, really pretty. There you have the gloss swatches. And then let's go ahead and move on to the next product in the collection. These are the Cheek Dew. They are dewy blushes. It's like a serum, okay? So it's it almost looks like a gloss, to be honest. It almost looks like that right there. I tried one of these blushes and I'm definitely going to be keeping all of them, so I'll swatch them all for you. This is more of an evening one. You blend it out. That's what that one looks like. Actually, I want to leave one for the giveaway, so I'm going to be giving this one away. This one is really pretty. I'm not giving it away because I don't like it. I really do like it, but I want to give away one of these to you. I did use this one here, so I'm going to swatch this one as well. This one is in the color Starfruit. The first one I swatched was called Passion Flower. Now this one is Starfruit. That one is right there. That's what Starfruit looks like. Sorry for my terrible swatches, but you guys can kind of get the gist of what it looks like. I'm going to close this up, and again, I'm going to put this one. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it away. The sun is beginning to escape me, so let's move on to the last item in this collection. This is the eyeshadow palette, the Lush Life palette by Colourpop. And let me show you guys the back. It has the names in the back as well. You open up this beauty, and this is what it looks like. It has all of the eyeshadow names right in there. You get a good combination of mattes and shimmers. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these for you. A second, let me get this all moisturized. So let's go in with the shimmers first because those are the easiest to swatch. Here is the color Wildlife. Here is the color It's Paradise. Very buttery. And here is the color Hotness. Moving along to the color Palm Palm. All right, so that was Pom Pom. We're gonna go into the color Juicy. Then we have the color Hideaway. And then the rest are matte. So these are all the shimmers inside of this palette. The sun is really escaping me, but here we have all the matte shades. I had to relocate and swatch them all off camera because my phone also died, so hope you guys get a good idea of what these shadows look like. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of these 3 products. You get 2 liners and also a blush in the color Hibiscus. So if you guys are interested in winning these products, go ahead and keep on watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, Instead of alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm going to start off by using my eye primer from Juvia's Place. This one is in shade number 2. You guys can purchase this at your local Ulta. So I just applied some to the eye and I'm just blending it out with a beauty sponge like so. I want to play around with some browns. It is daytime, but I also just don't want to look too crazy. I have to pick up my kids from school very soon. So I'm going to play with browns instead of playing with the blues and the greens from this palette here. We will use a pop of color for this look, so don't worry. We're definitely going to get into the colors, but right now I'm going to start off by using the color Eden. That is this shade right here. And I'm going to just begin to pack this into the crease area. This is pretty pigmented. Loving the color. I just hope it blends out good because sometimes they pack on nice and then you begin blending them out and then they get really patchy. So hopefully that's not the case with this one. So just really building up the intensity of this color right here. Oh, shiznit. Okay, so the next one I'm going to use is called Guayaba. That's this brown right here. I was looking at the color Nani, which is a little bit darker than Guayaba, but I think I'm going to go in with this one. I'm going to just pack it on top of that brown that I just used and just kind of blend out the edges. I'm placing it over that previous brown just because we have that pigment under. So it's still going to remain pretty dark down there. And I'm just starting to blend everything out. Clean up your brush on like a little makeup towel if you have one in front of you, and then just go over the edges. Looks crazy right now. We're not done. I'm going to use the next color. This one is called Eco. I'm using the same exact brush. I just wiped it off on a little makeup towel. I really wish this palette here had a mirror because it would have been more useful. But I'm just taking that color and applying it to the outer edge right here. And you guys can see that blended everything out. I'm also going to take some of that and apply it right here. And now I'm going to take this inner corner shader brush, not using it for the inner corner though. And I am really liking the color. It's Paradise. That's this one right here. It looks really pretty. So I'm going to take that and just apply it right underneath the eyebrow. Just like a little highlight right here, you know? Okay, now I'm going to go back into that previous blending brush and just kind of blend everything out right there. Once again, I'm going to take the first brush that I used. This one is the Luxie 209 large shader brush, and I'm going to take that dark brown that I first applied onto my eye, and I'm going to go back into this crease area just to really get the intensity back in there. Some of these Morphe brushes start to lose the bristles, so that's what's going on right there. Okay, I'm going to take back the other previous brush and just blend out the edges once again. Maybe I'll use this brush to apply some of that dark shade. I'm definitely liking how this is looking now. I am going to be cutting the crease today, so let's do that. To cut my crease, I take a makeup remover. Got this one from Target. This is an oil-free eye makeup remover. It looks like this here. And I'm also taking a Q-tip. I'm going to put some of this makeup remover into the cap. And then we're going to dip the Q-tip right in there. I'm going to clean off everything that I have on my eyelid like this. And I'm going to take the dry side of the Q-tip and just remove everything. I'm going to take some of my Juvia's Place concealer like this, and I'm also going to be taking a flat brush. This one is the one I used to carve out my eyebrows. We're going to be applying some of this in here. Oh shoot, hold on. Hold on, I need my cut crease brush. How can I forget? I'm going to take this brush here. This is from Michaels. I have it in my description box in almost all my videos. And I'm going to dip into the concealer, not the concealer, the eye primer from Juvia's Place. I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. We're creating the guide with this brush. We're doing a half cut crease. Now I am going to be taking the flat brush like this and just applying the primer all over the eye. You want to stamp this eye primer all throughout and stay underneath the guide. You guys can see the intensity of that eyeshadow right here, and that is why we pack on the color. And also, I know you remove a lot of the eyeshadow and you probably think it's a waste, but eyeshadows expire, girl. You better get a lot of use out of your palettes. So it's okay to go in with a lot. That way you build up on the intensity. I could have definitely gone in a little bit more with that color, but I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. Again, this is a daytime look. Well, not your typical daytime look, but I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to take a flat brush now and I'm going to move on to the next color. I really want to use the brightest shade from this palette. I think it looks so beautiful. It is called Palm Palm. And it's this bright green right here. Now we are taking the color Palm Palm. And I'm going to stamp it in to the beginning portion of the eye. This is super bright and neon. Ooh, I love this. Now, normally I would gravitate towards using this color right after using this one because they just go together a lot better. You can definitely do that, but I want to do something different that I don't think I would normally do. You know, I want to do something different, like I said. So we're going to go into the color Hotness, and that is this shade right here. And I'm using the same exact brush that I used for the previous one. I just always reuse the same brushes. I'm just kind of like cleaning them off on my makeup towel. Why the hell am I out of focus, bro? So with this color, I'm just going to go ahead and begin to place it right next to the other one. Since the concealer is still kind of tacky, you want to just pack it on before blending. You want to blend it. You don't want to leave it like this, okay? So in order to create a really beautiful gradient effect, you want to go ahead and take your brush like this and begin to move your way in. Until you have no more eyeshadow on your brush. Okay, so again, you just want to make sure that you're creating a gradient effect. You don't want to see the division of two colors. You want to make it look like it's melted into each other. And I'm pretty happy with how this is looking now. I'm going to go ahead and... Hold on. I always say I'm happy, but then I go back in. Now I'm going to go back into that really dark shade that I originally used at the crease, and I'm going to just place it at the outer corner right here. And I'm going to slowly apply it inward, blending it all in. I do want to go back in with the color Hotness, which is that orangey shade right here. Make it come through a little bit more. Let me take some of the color Guayaba and use it at the outer corner a little bit more. So out of these three pencils, I want to use this one because I've already used this kind of color from Colourpop a lot before. And then also this one looks a lot like the Raw Beauty Kristi. I forgot what it's called, but I use these colors very often. I want to try something different. This one is in the color, hold on. This one is in the color Canopy. I'm going to go ahead and place this at the waterline. And I do like to bring it underneath the waterline quite a bit, just because it makes a nice base for the eyeshadows that I'm going to be applying down there. I might be going a little too crazy with using a lot of these colors, but I am tempted to use a lot. So I'm going to go into this color. This is the one that I wanted to use instead of using this color because I told you it was a little bit darker. But, you know, something told me that this one would look prettier, and so far I'm happy with how this look is turning out. So the color I'm taking right now is called Nani. That is the darker one that I just said. And I'm going to place this right underneath the green that we just used. Now, I'm really going to push it. I'm going to take it up a notch. The color I'm going to be using next is called Monsoon. That's the blue shade. Don't know if it's going to look good with this eye look, but I trust my instincts. Wow, that is a lot of fallout. Okay. That is pigmented though. I took too much eyeshadow. I shouldn't have done that. I'm gonna go back in with the other one. I'm trying to get Nani back right here, but that shit gone. Well, what can I do now? Okay. I don't know how I feel about this look now. Alright. Hopefully this starts to tie in together once I have my face makeup on. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, shit. I'm fucking everything up. I'm going to do the other eye off of camera. Then we're going to come back and move along to the next product that is a part of the collection. Okay, guys. I have just finished up some of my complexion products. I'm going to just go ahead and go in with some blush now. I have applied, my foundation, my concealer, and I just have to go in with this product here now because it is a cream product. I'm going to go in with my bronzer after. So let's go ahead and pick one out. The one I want to use is called Starfruit. That's this one right here. I've never used this product before, so I'm excited about it. I'm going to go ahead and place this to the back of my hand. Cheek Dew Serum Blush. It's very, very, like, it looks like a lip gloss. Interesting. Whoa, girl. This is super dewy. I thought it was going to be a lot more pigmented too, but I am not mad. I'm going to go ahead and just take it up here because that is what I prefer. I like this color. Okay, we're going to put some more because I just used all of that on one cheek. You don't want to apply this over a powder because I feel like it's definitely going to mess it up. So right now I haven't set my face at all. I'm just going in there with all my liquids first. On my lips, I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier lip pencil. This one is in the shade Plumberry. And then for gloss, we have 3 different options that I showed you guys in the intro of this video. I'm going to be using the color Peace Lily. It's this beautiful sparkling one right here. I actually ended up going in with a different lip color. This one is in the color Orchid, and I just applied a little bit over. I definitely do like this color a little bit better than the other one. It just goes so good with this look. I really hope you guys liked this look that I created using all the products from this recent collection from Colourpop. If you guys are interested in any other products, you guys can use my discount code 5Tracey at checkout for $5 off of your purchase. And that will also be listed down below in the description box. And I will leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. I will see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye. Okay, congratulations, you have made it to the end of the video. If you guys are interested in winning these products, I'm gonna put all of the entry details in the description box so that you guys know exactly how to enter, but let me give you a quick rundown. All you have to do is be a US resident and subscribe to my channel. Once you have completed those steps, all you have to do is leave me a comment down below with any animal that is in the rainforest. Okay, leave me an emoji with a rainforest animal. I will announce the winner by responding to your guys' comment that you leave down below, and I'll also put the winner in my description box. So go ahead and enter, and all the details are going to be in the description box. Good luck. Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.